The best to you from Kmart Radio.
Hey guys, I'm at the new place. I'm about to clean out the fridge. As you can see, the previous owners had like blood or something leaking here. I had to take out that shelf. D.Va was here with me. I got some spick and span. Now I'm going to clean it, or at least try to. Oh, it's so gross. Oh my God, how can you live with yourself knowing you've left your place like this so filthy for other people? It's not like they care because they don't live here anymore. But I feel like I'm just smushing it around. This is not really doing anything. Oof. Gross. I don't think that's gonna work. I need something else. So this is the best I could do for now. I think it looks much better. Some stains can't come out, but still trying to get this cleaned out as best as I can. Ooh, Lord. Lord help these people. Oh, gross. I don't even know what that is. Ugh. Yeah, it's not coming out. Oh, Lord. Well, the cleaning's not over yet, guys. I just opened the freezer and I forgot about this. I mean, I knew about it already, but I was so consumed about the bottom part, I forgot about the top part. So I'm going to have to clean that as well. So I'll get back to you when that's done. It's coming along. It's getting cleaned as best as I can do it. It's not easy because this is very filthy. So, but I'll get the job done. As you guys know, we've done millions of things. Nothing has stopped us yet. This is easier compared to other things we've had to do. Much easier. Well, it's looking better, but it's not completely clean yet. There's still some stuff there, but it looks much better. Had to use all of these to clean it. The ones at the top don't look as dark as the ones at the bottom, but it's getting there. It's getting there. Still got more to do. It's never gonna end, is it? Ooh, you keep thinking it's clean and then bam, more mess.